Information Security Analyst, career, job role, and top certifications. How to become an information security analyst? Nowadays, people are becoming more advanced and taking all their necessary actions in information security and in the digital sector. People are surfing the internet every day to get their daily work done. Even online transactions are possible nowadays. Not only conglomerate firms but also small enterprises have their data and assets in cyberspace. The critical drawback of high usage of the internet is hacking. Hackers worldwide are always utilizing different techniques to hack and steal data. With the high risk of hackers, cybersecurity is becoming a topic of concern among corporations. Thus, the role of an IT security analyst becomes vital. The IT industry has expanded significantly, resulting in a wealth of technical expertise and professionals in the information security domain. There are IT security analysts who have a significant role in the IT security domain. Most firms and working sectors are looking for information security analysts. Who is an information security analyst? Information security analysts play a significant role in this digitalized era. The concerned authorities are held liable for updates on the security and accessories of a company. Information security analysts are cybersecurity professionals or engineers whose primary job is to ensure safety measures against any cybersecurity or disturbance to the corporation's network systems. Information security analysts use their skill set to prevent any intrusion against a company's assets. They monitor and test any fatalities in the computer's network system and strengthen it to prevent unauthorized access. Part of the information security analyst's responsibility is to maintain and update reports regarding the effectiveness of the company's security policies for IT administration and other relevant company members. What are the duties and responsibilities of information security analysts? Let's take a look at information security analyst job forums and working duties in brief. Technically, the position might have slight changes in itself depending on the corporation and firms. People often question the task of an information security risk analyst. However, the significant parts remain the same, regardless of what company you are working for. 1. The role of an information security analyst involves monitoring and testing computer networks for any fatalities or security issues. They have all the training insights from the information security risk analyst education. Moreover, the information security risk analyst programs deliver various crucial information regarding the work nature. 2. Information security analysts must perform security audits using analytical tools and software to investigate any breaches. 3. They are also required to investigate security breaches and other cybersecurity incidents. 4. The information security analyst's role is to install security measures such as firewalls and data encryption programs or software to protect the company's information and infrastructure. 5. One of the roles of an information security analyst is to analyze and investigate the complex malware that causes security breaches. 6. They need to document and update recovery plans for security breaches in the company. 7. Information security analysts leading a security team must work out and execute performance tests and penetration testing to discover network fatalities and vulnerabilities. They need to detect the vulnerabilities and fix them to strengthen and maintain a high security standard. 8. Hackers manage to find new ways to illegally access. So, as information security analysts, they need to stay updated with the latest IT security trends and news to tackle the latest methods of hackers. 9. An information security analyst needs to develop a solid and company-wide system to support IT security. They need to initiate best practices to do so. 10. To strengthen and toughen up security, They need to research and develop security enhancements and make recommendations to corporations. These are the primary and fundamental roles that information security analysts carry out. They must monitor computer networks for security purposes, install software and programs to safeguard the computer networks, etc. Information security analyst education, knowledge and qualifications required. To be an information security analyst, one needs to have technical skills and some soft skills to excel. Technical skills would define the practice of implementation and development, which is much required for any information security analyst. Information security analysts' education and training increase their productivity. The technical skills one needs to become an information security analyst are: 1. Penetration testing. It is a simulated cyber attack to identify potential virus threats and exploitable vulnerabilities. It allows candidates to test network systems to prevent any unauthorized or malicious activity. It is mainly used to augment a web application firewall. 2. Intrusion prevention. It is a threat prevention technology that allows you to manage the traffic on any network system. One can monitor the network traffic and prevent any unauthorized intervention that would be harmful to the company's strategy. One must be aware of intrusion prevention if one wants to stand out as an information security analyst. 3. Computer forensics. Computer forensics is an application to prevent any cyber attack by investing and analyzing data and security policies. Computer forensics is data recovery based on legal security policies and guidelines. One must be able to resolve this and conduct forensics to understand how the hacker breached the system. 4. Cybersecurity planning. Cybersecurity planning needs to be incorporated into the security strategy by management. One must be qualified enough to plan accordingly. This domain becomes critical when there is a massive surge in the management and production of professional techniques. It broadly builds a secure, non-attacking atmosphere to eradicate and prevent further errors. Besides technical skills, one needs to have soft skills to excel. Some of the soft skills are discussed here. 1. Attention to detail. You must pay heed to every nook and cranny of your management to not leave any minor details. Potential hackers would even find a small opening to degrade the system. As an information security analyst, the candidate must be active and diligent about every change and be very observant. As such, you should be aware of any changes in codes and policies. 2. Research skills. As an information security analyst, one needs to be exemplary in researching. As new trends and techniques are being invented every day, you need to be updated and search for your needs accordingly. How to become an information security analyst? Qualification for information security analyst. There are various ways to become an information security analyst. You can attend any reputable university that will let you pursue your dream. Various universities offer many programs, and the standard courses required for information security analysts are also covered here. CISUP, CISM, and such programs can be great for your certification.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.